baby, you can't hide from my love.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to do a makeup tutorial, and I really quick want to shout out Ashley Artisan. She's the one who kind of requested this video. Shout out to you. So today I guess it's just gonna be an everyday makeup routine. Now I don't wear makeup every day just because I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a makeup guru. Like I'm basic. So I guess it's just gonna be the makeup I wear like when I go out, when I go on a date, if I'm going to lunch. Okay, so really quick, first for my primer, I'm gonna use this Neutrogena Shine Control. Now, let's see if you can see that. I use this just so that my face really doesn't get too oily, because my face gets oily really quick, but we're just gonna throw this stuff on there like that. Just kinda, probably should put my hair up. Throw it up after this. How clean. Alright, first I'm gonna be going in with my Bobbi Brown concealer. I'm just gonna put some on my brush and kind of dab it everywhere. Go ham.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I also have this Bobbi Brown, again it is Bobbi Brown, but it's not like a creamy one, it's more of like a matte, and it's like a skin finish long wear, so it's a little bit lighter, so I dab that a little bit, and I kind of just put it like I would contour, or what is that, I don't know what it's called, but like under concealer, yeah, and I just kind of put it in those 4 spots just to like make sure my face is matte in those areas, I guess. So I do that. Okay, so then next I guess I just take this Tarte. This is really funny because I just am not good at makeup. So Tarte Shape Tape. I got this from, I don't know who I was watching, but I was watching YouTube, and I was like, wow, everybody has this, so I'm gonna use it too. So I bought it. All done with that. Okay, so what do I do next? So next I take this, again it's like an e.l.f. palette, but they have like these 4 shades, and there's like a light to not only use, and more chocolate colors. I'm gonna go for the more darker one, and I normally just tap that in there. I'm gonna start to bronze my face a little bit. Is that what you call it? Bronze? I don't really know. I'm just saying a bunch of stuff. But dip that again. Just kind of go around. jawline. Ooh, I'm fancy. Okay. So then next I go in with my MAC. Now, here we go. Do that cool thing again. Ooh, light's in the way. It's fine. It's fine. You know what it is. MAC. It's the Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. And I've been using this for the past like 4 years. So it's probably about that time I get a new one because it's a little worn out. But I just dab that over my eyes and under the place where I concealed. It's thundering. Easy parts. Ooh, almost forgot about my neck. Can't forget about that. Okay, so after that's done, I typically go in with my Sephora. I'm pretty sure this is Deep Mocha Intense. I guess that's just their way of saying like really black girls, like Mocha Intense. Just tell me I'm dark, girl. It's fine. Yeah, so I go in with this. And again, I don't have my brush. Got it. All these e.l.f. products, man, they should sponsor me. Once I'm done, there's a hair in my mouth. Okay. Once I'm done, I go back in with my skin finish brush and I kind of just like blend everything through just to make sure I didn't miss anything. And that's pretty much swipe all of it away. And then really quick, I take the brush that I did the cream contour with and I dab it in the powder. And I just kind of run it on the outside of my nose so it kind of gives it that contour look. Kind of, sort of. Sexy nose. No. Okay. Yeah, so I do that. A lot of people do their eyebrows first and I don't understand why. But I also never really get my eyebrows done. I don't know. I don't understand the whole eyebrow thing. I'm sorry, so you're gonna have to excuse me. But I just use this, don't really know. It's so old that it doesn't even have anything on it. I'm gonna say it's from Walmart, but who knows. So I pretty much take that and kind of just brush them up. And then I just kind of put them in the way that I guess I want them to be.
Shape, Haley. It's called shape.
That's fine. And then I just go in and I just kind of fill it in where it needs to be filled in, but like, I don't even think I'm good at that because I just messed up. Tragic. If I mess up, I just go ahead and brush it up again. Looks fine to me. Lastly, like I said, I just don't do anything. So so I guess lastly, I'm just gonna go in with my Katy Cat Eye waterproof mascara. I picked this up at Walmart and I didn't realize how much I loved it. Now I recommend it to everyone because it literally is pitch black, super dark, and I love that. And my eyelashes are pretty long, so I don't typically, what am I doing? I have a whole mirror. Wear eyelashes unless it's for a special occasion or I'm cheering. That's one. This is none. Looks pretty decent today. That's it. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys want to see. I love when I get comments down below. I've only gotten one, so it's not like it's been anything fancy, but I appreciated that one. She loyal. Enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and share this video with like anyone and everyone because I want to help this family grow and I want you to be a part of my family. And if you subscribed, thank you, and let's make our family grow.